malaki pa sa ulo ko. Ha? Yan. Ayan ang lalaki ng mga tinapay oh. Ito ano. Yan, tara, tingin tayo ng mga drinks. Medyo itago-tago natin yung camera kasi maraming bawal dito eh. Ayan dyan. Ayan na ba yung music na yan? Ang lakas. He's at home now? Or maybe in Matthias' home. Ayan, tingin tayo ng drinks dito. Carry that one too much. Hey, Coppola. Don't give you too much sweet food. You will drink all that one. Here, 64. Orange. No, like the big one. You will pay?
This one is yummy.
How you know? That's yo. Miami. That's yo. Or that was small one.
We're buying this one always.
Yeah. Okay. Take it. Take it. It's too much huge and big. More good that small one.
9.3 columns. 100 milliliters.
So take that one. That small one. Wait, not that one. Laki-laki nito eh.
3 liters. 3 liters.
3 liters daw. 279 lang. Ayan, sabi ko yun lang yung ito na brand. Ayan.
This one?
Yeah. Let's go. Ang sa'yo bang...
Oh, strawberry.
I thought you are in hurry. No?
35 cents strawberry.
Oo. Maraming mas sarap dito na ay ano ba yun? Yung mga syrup na yan. Of course, there in breakfast, for breakfast. You don't need breakfast. Where? There is nothing there. Wala sa ano. Tingin kami na mga tinapay para sa breakfast namin. Para hindi kasi doon sa kabilang grocery, sawang-sawa na kami doon. Nauumay na ba? Ayan.
What is the... What do you see?
Yeah, I don't see. Must be, I need to pay. Ayan, tara. Nagmamadali ang asawa ko kasi babalik siya sa work niya eh. At bayin yung sapatos ko nalalaglag. Ayan, ang ganda ng groceryhan nila, diba? Asawa ko nawawala na. Chicken. Chicken ulit. Yan ang may baka sa loob, oh. Yung Melka. Ayan. Melka Company. Maraming murang chocolate dito kaya. Ayan, maraming yung sale dito, oh. Maraming yung sale. Pwede tayo na mulay. Hindi na lang to. Almost 65. Maganda pag-ani. Daming insay ng mga gulay, oh. 155, 69. Busog na kasi ako kaya hindi ko alam kung anong masarap ulit. Too much full, that's why I don't know which one. Ano ba yung design? Hanap to. Yeah, I'm buying for me. So, bread. Ay, tinapay nila. So, what is yours? Juice. Oh, they have this here. Tinapay. Inay, tinapay. Ang lalaki, oh. Malaki pa sa ulo ko. Ha? Yan. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga tinapay, oh. This one. Laki ng mga tinapay. Ito kalahati lang pwede mong ting-ting, kalahati lang. Ay, yung buo, 61 lang. Mamura. More cheap? So, you can eat this one. You never tried that one? Problem is I'm too much full now. I don't know which.
So, buy nothing.
Here. I bought ham yesterday.
Here.
No, in Tesco. Why donuts here is too little expensive? Mahal naman ang donuts dito kaysa doon. Ah, para may palaman to. So look like something inside. Yeah.
Maybe.
Ah, I like this one. I like this one. Yummy, this one. Can you take for me? Ayan. Ayan, ayusin natin yung camera. Para, ayan.
Oh.
2 for me. And different plastic for Jake. For his breakfast.
This one or this one?
That, dry. Don't take that, for my breakfast tomorrow. This one. Ayan. Masarap tong donuts na to.
Why this one plastic?
Yeah. And for Jake, this one, another plastic. Because in his scanner, you cannot... Scanner is not... Scammer. Or... maybe that one, oh. More yummy. With Nutella inside. So, let's go take that one. With Nutella inside. Masarap to with Nutella. Ayan, mas mura pa, oh. May Nutella sa loob. Mamura pa. Ayan. Ayan. Ay. Ayan, bumili ko na. How about you? What? Okay. That's all? Okay, that's all. Oh, your breakfast. Yep. Yep. You wanna eat something at work, no? No need. Ayan, mga tinapay nila. Palakihan. Ah? May masarap dito eh, na ano, tinapay. Napakasarap. Kaso nga lang, medyo mahal. Okay lang. Some bread is, I bought a lot this one at home because it's on sale in Tesco. I'm searching bread like that butter bread and this one. Look like sold out here. Oh, 34 lang. 34. Fish. Let's go. Tara sa isda. Tingin tayo ng isda. Alamang gusto ng anak ko. Oh, this one. Jake, he like that one. I wanna take it because he like it. His favorite food. Take it. He eating always. With rice only and lemon. It's okay. Ay, ang paborito ng anak ko to. Oh. Yung dilis. Yeah, he like it. He like it. Don't worry, he like it. Okay, that's all. He like that one. See? Mga proso ng mga isda rito. Kaya asahan nyo, pagpunta nyo rito, makakita kayo ng isda, proso at lahat. Which one? Hey, in Tesco, Nankoro, no? That milk. I don't know, maybe five. That's all. 32. So let's go. Ayan. Sige. Tara na, uwi na tayo. Ay, I wanna look that no, that wine that if you drink is hallucination. We have here. Where? Where? Yeah, absinthe.
Absinthe, green.
Where is it? Yung ba sinasabi ko sa iyo yung ano, nainom mo? Almost falling. Yeah. Wala tayo sa mga to, kunting ganyan mo lang. Babagsak na magbabayad ka pa, no? Mamahal pa naman ang alak. Yung ano, makainom kayo, maghahalusinate ka na, ano, yan. Ito yon. This one?
No.
Green deal?
Green leaf. Yeah.
Absente.
Like 500.
Ito yung ano, yung sinasabi kong kapag ano, nainom mo yung maghahalusinate ka. Ito yun. Hallucination.
Hallucinate.
Yeah, makikita mo kung anong gusto mong makita dito sa anong app nito. Ayan. How much?
500.
Tagpa 500 lang, oh.
Yes, hallucination too. If you see the price here, hallucination too.
This one? Ay, by price. Sabi niya, pag nakita mo ang price na to, maghahalo sinit ka raw kasi 1,800. Pero hindi yan. Presyo lang. Mahimatay ka sa ano, sa presyo. Ayan. Ito yun, oh. Pasubukan ko kaya sa sako. Mamaya maghalo sinit, nakakita na asop. Tagayin pa ako, wag na. Ayan. Can you drink? Can you try? Can you try that one? Ayan. Pinapaano ko, pinapasu. Ay, good for your mother. Or Mary. 70 alcohol, 70% alcohol.
Almost clear.
Ayan.
It's clear alcohol.
You tried before? So what happened after you tried? I thought the hallucination.
You must maybe have.
No, kung kunti lang yata, hindi ka pa maghahalusinate. Pero kapag naubos mo mga kalahati raw na botelyan ganito, maghahalusinate ka na.
One small glass, nothing better.
Kapag kunti lang na inom mo raw, hindi. Yun. Kailangan yung kalahati niyang botelyan, mag-umpisa ka na maghahalusinate daw. Yan. Nakatikim na siya ay popular dito sa dito sa kanila sa bansang Czech Republic. Yan. That's all that only absent-minded. Ayan. Delikado palang alak na yun.
Let's go.
Tara na at ihatid na niya ako sa bahay. Tara. Uwi na kami. Lakas ng music. There's no tissue at home. There's no more tissue. Toilet paper. Pwede po roon. Wala na kaming tissue Kailangan namin bumili. Ito. Mura mga tissue rito. Ayan. So, which one? This one? 59? 59 lang. What is that? Oh my goodness. Why don't tell me? So, let's go home if you are in hurry. So, nagmamadali siya kasi kaya uwi na kami. Ayan. Scan na. Start. Ayan, mag-scan na kami. So, donut eat. Don't know.
Coconut feeling.
Yeah, 15. Masarap yung donuts nila rito, yung coconut. Masarap yun. Parang sa loob ay condensed milk sa loob na may coconut. Napakasarap. Natikman ko to sa restaurant nila. Tsaka yung may palaman na Nutella. Masarap din. Ayan. Yeah, yes, because you don't wanna give me. So more good if I say no, no more. So they don't take my money here.
They don't want your money.
Yeah. Next time I will go out alone. Oh, my I don't want to change. If I change, you know, no more the next day, no more again. How much? Oh, almost half. Almost half. It's not so nice. I don't wanna go out with you next time. I will go alone. More good if I go shopping alone. Mas maganda pag mag-isa lang ako. Walang gagastos ng pera ko. Yun na naman. Some scammer here. Scammer. Hey, can you carry on? Ayan. Wala kami, hindi na kayo bumili ng plastic. Marami na kayong plastic sa bahay. Tipid kami ngayon. Ayan. Look at Grandpa. Angat yan mukha ko. Yan. You're late always.